diogelwch Boed ac ein diogelwch Henny. Gwiri'r ein cyflenwadau dŵr a ddefnydd siroedd Saesneg heb obaith a'i herio. Diolch I Peter Hein, jyst I sbonio yna, roedd brigles ar cyflenwad dŵr Cymru. Oedd I fod I Redig, o dan reolaeth Lloegr, tan rhyw 50 mlynedd ragol. Ond mae Peter Hein wedi gwneud rhywbeth I sicrhau bod I wedi paso hawlfraint ar ein cyflenwau dŵr am byth. Mae'n rhaid I ni drin â'r problemau yma o danwydd a cyflenwau Boed a lle dwi'n byw yn Montepool yn barod. Mae pobl yn mynd heb Boed. Mae pobl yn methu talu eu biliau trydan ac yn byw yn y diwellwch a defnyddio cannoedd fel yn y canrif diwethaf. Nid stori wyn, dera gyda fi, I Sebastopol Westbourne yn ei dangos I chi y teuluoedd. I dangos I ti pobl sy'n byw o dan y llunydd tylodi. Mae'n rhaid I ni trin ar broblemau yma. Mae'n rhaid I ni algyhoeddi ein bobl I wrth sefyll Lloegr, rhag lladraddau ein hadnoddau ni. Sefwch yn dal, sefwch mewn BALCHDER, sefwch yn rydd. Cymru rydd! Cymru rydd! Heddiw, mae Gweriniaeth Cymraeg yn bodoli.
Hi, my name is Bob Coombs. I'm also with BALCHDER Company, also Plain Company member. This is not a direct translation of what STEFFAN said, but bear with me. Firstly, BALCHDER Company congratulates all Welsh Assembly members for boycotting today's royal visit. Our position is that we do not recognise the legitimacy of foreign royals over our people. Yeah. The question of what we would have in Free Cymru is one that people should decide. We have to remember there is a difference between nationalist and republican. It is not the place of BALCHDER Cymru or any other politician to decide on whether we have the restoration of Cymru royalty or we have an elected head of state, or indeed if we need either. It is our task to make the people of Cymru think about what they would like. Until recently, most people have thought about sustainability or the age of scarcity. Fuel, food, energy, the environment are all issues that we need to have solutions. Recent global events have shown that nuclear power is not safe, and the wind farm scam carries on. We need to generate enough electricity primarily for Cymru and not for the national grid. Oil and gas production is costly and dangerous, as witnessed the sad events in Pembroke last week, as is the real toxic shale gas technique that coastal oil and gas want to bring to our country. Fuel is more expensive, so food prices continue to rise. Cymru needs to ensure our own food security. But every week, we lose good agricultural land to commuter overspill estates for settlers from English counties who now have our land written into their housing policies. As STEFFAN mentioned earlier, our water supplies are being hindered because English counties have over the years networked pipes to divert our water away to feed their industries and their agricultural land, an issue we have no right to question. So what has all this got to do with today? These are issues we must address if we are to stand on our own 2 feet. We need to convince the people of the injustice of England's theft of our resources. And come that day, we will stand tall, we will stand proud, and we will stand free. Cymru Rydd, free Wales. Cymru Rydd!